How to create a Maven project for your Selenium automation. First open Eclipse IDE, then click on create project, and from here select Maven project, click next and click on this create simple project. Skip archetype selection. Archetype is just basically a template for Maven project, so you don't need that. If you are a beginner, you can make your own template, then click next. Group ID and artifact ID, you can give name related to your project, like com.test dot your company name. Artifact ID, anything, then click finish. Now the Maven project is created, and there you will see pom.xml option. Open that, and then you have to add the dependencies. For adding Selenium, go to this website. It's called mvnrepository.com. Go there and search Selenium Java. This is the link. Download the latest stable version. So I'm gonna download 3.14 because it's the most used version. You don't have to download, just paste this in your dependency option. Eclipse will take care of it. That's what the advantage of using Maven. Copy, then you have to add this option, dependencies, because you are gonna be adding multiple dependencies. So this, add this one, and in the middle of that paste your first dependency. Click on save. You can see green bar moving. If the green bar is finished, then the save is complete. And now you will have to add test ng. So search here test ng. Yeah, you have to type it without spaces. This one is it. I'm gonna download the latest one. It's 7.7.1 at the time of recording the video. Like before, you have to copy and paste the dependency. Copy, and then here next dependencies will go here. Click Ctrl plus S to save. You can see it's building 100% complete, so it's done.